Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Okay, right now we're going to have a Ronan review. Okay, last night we went out to watch the Pacific Rim to Jan sa Uptown Mall. Kasi dito lang naman kami sa South Sembo, so malapit lang yung Uptown Mall. Lalakarin lang namin, andyan na kami. Diba? So hindi na kailangan sumakay. The movie is actually good. The movie is actually a movie. It's not trying to be a film. So, if you wanted to go there and if you wanted to watch the movie and focus on the story, hindi mo talaga walang storya. Hindi masyadong nakafocus sa narrative yung entire movie, no? So, it's about the Jaeger robots and versus the monster aliens from other dimension, and then or Jaeger robots versus Jaeger robots, right? And but though this is part 2, so parang it happens after dun sa war na nangyari nung part 1. So nung part 1 andun si Idris Elba, and then andun si Charlie Hunnam, and then yung Chinese girl si what's her name? Si Rinko Kikuchi. Yung character niya is si Mako Mori, right? So, tapos na yon. So, parang I'm not quite sure how many years after, 2 years or whatever. So, years after the war. So, ito yung Pacific Rim 2. So, dito naman, yung ano niya, yung character dito is yung anak na ni Idris Elba before, si Jake Pentecost. Kasi namatay nga si Idris Elba dun sa ano, di ba? Namatay siya dun sa part 1. So, parang anak na niya ito na nandito sa part 2 plus since nawala si Charlie Hunnam. So yung character ni Charlie Hunnam doon, hindi na siya binanggit eh. Hindi na binanggit yung character niya dito. Or baka hindi ko lang narinig. Basta hindi ko napansin na binanggit yung character niya dito. So we don't know what happened, kung anong nangyari dun sa character na yon. Pero yung Chinese girl, si Mako Mori, andito siya, kaya lang very short lang yung appearance niya. Kasi spoilers alert. So yun nga yung nangyari. Though maganda naman, super nag-enjoy naman ako. Well, I'm the type of viewer na hindi ako masyadong I normally turned off my critic side when it comes to watching film or movies, no? So I'm also not a critic reader, like ika nga. So kasi every time na napansin ko lang na pag naka-turn on yung critic side mo when it comes to watching film or reading a book, hindi mo na na-enjoy kasi tinitingnan mo na lang kung ano yung mali or whatever. So normally, I went to the movie or I read a book to have fun, to enjoy. Kaya hindi ako nakafocus talaga dun sa pagiging critic while watching the film. Especially lang talaga kung sobrang bad yung movie na talagang hindi mo maiiwasan talagang sobrang na-bored ka or sobrang napaka-lame. Yun. Pero most of the time naman, i-enjoy ko lang talaga. I'll take the movie as it is. And then later on, tsaka ko lang iisip, bakit kaya ganon? Bakit kaya ganito? Sana ganito man, ganyan. So, well anyway, opinion or ideas ng director yun. So, wala na tayong magagawa doon. Diba? So far naman nag-enjoy ako. So far, super bakbakan talaga siya. Well, the first part of the film, medyo, kasi nagbi-build up pa siya, may mga narratives, may mga story pa na kailangan nilang i-build. Pero yung kalahati naman, papuntang dulo, talagang bakbakan na siya. So sobrang nag-enjoy ako doon. Very, yung ganon, yung talaga, yung, especially yung mga Jaeger versus dun sa city ng Tokyo ba, so yung Jaeger robots versus yung mga aliens sa mga monster, talagang bakbakan talaga siya. The only thing I was concerned of was yung mga kids na mga pilot, Jaeger pilots. Parang I'm not buying it. Parang, kailangan ba talagang ganon? Siguro they're trying to put a soft side dun sa film, kaya nilagay nila yung mga bata to pilot the Jaeger robots, no? But anyway, set aside na lang yung kasi I'm not buying it so parang set aside na lang yung part na yon na mga bata yung drive, pero yung the robot itself, it's fun to watch. I enjoyed it, nag-enjoy ako, so okay na yon. I'll siguro out of 10 I'll give it a 6. Kasi wala talaga siyang masyadong story, so parang ang bilis-bilis lang na yung narrative ng story niya. Yung storytelling niya is parang nakafokusan talaga dun sa parang ang tawag doon, parang threat. Nakafokusan talaga dun sa parang threat na padating na mangyayari. Na parang ina-expect na kagad nila na ina-expect na from the start pa lang na may kalabang dadating na babalik ulit yung mga aliens na mga monsters. Pero all in all naman, nung hindi ka talaga yung story-driven na viewer, mag-i-enjoy ka kung talagang enjoy ka lang na makita yung mga robots, yung mga malalaking monster na nagbabakbakan doon. So, it was fun. So, yun. Panoorin nyo na lang kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng opinion eh. You might enjoy it, you might not. Sa akin naman, nag-enjoy ako. I turned off my critic side when it comes to mga ganyang klaseng movie. Especially na lang kung siguro yung mga Oscar-nominated movies. So talagang every details, every acting, or every the storytelling itself, the character building, talagang focus ka doon. Titingnan mo siya in details para makita mo, bakit kaya siya Oscar worthy or nominee. Ano ba yan? Diyan ako makapagsalita. So yun guys, so next time I'll be reviewing books, I'll be reviewing movies na napanood ko namin, and I'm gonna talk about it here. And if you want to say something about the film or the books, just comment down below and let's talk about it, right? And thank you for watching my video, and if you want to see more of my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!